This is an exciting year for PALFINGER here in North America, and our participation here at CONEXPO is a first taste of what is to come.
PALFINGER is the world's leading producer and provider of innovative crane and lifting solutions. We proudly present emission-free solutions, smart technologies, and assistance systems to successfully meet the challenges of tomorrow.
The North American market is very innovation-minded, which is why innovations play a major role for PALFINGER.
The completely new design truck-mounted forklift is the first product of our next-level product strategy of lifting solutions.
Many of our products and solutions feature European technology, but are made right here in North America.
What makes our sales and service network unique is our impressive footprint in North America.
CONEXPO is North America's largest construction trade show and a strategically important event and opportunity to strengthen our presence in the NAM region.